What I see Uncle, Akanuku don't craze for Benin. Bia Borego. Bia. See Akanuku don't work over Benin. When I see Uncle, I don't craze for Benin. See no to drug. See Uncle. Are you see o celebrity or Akanuku don't craze? What I
That's him. Jesus Christ, that's Anuku for fuck's sake. My God. Oh, snap.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. Not be smart, you. So Akanuku, now they craze, so my people. I see the video just now, like the thing shocktalized me. I know our Nollywood celebrity now. Akanuku we fed the America. They can't relocate, come Nigeria, come the art film. When if they speak English, you see they hear that America tone. They can say they take this white for America, so he had no correct go like that. So now you can take come Nigeria, call the art film, you know. Now me with that we see say one boy video ramo come bring and come say Mona say Akanuku dey craze, so I say Akanuku, hey my people, oh, say Akanuku dey craze now. He dey street of Edo. I say Akanuku just come craze, come reach Edo. Now wow, my people, oh, no be small thing. Maybe you can still continue to take that go with the take. Maybe that cause am so. Now wow, my people. If the same one has stop to take this thing, this white one at the take, una know the year. Not be everybody body now they good. Even Oyibo people, they cause craze for their body. You understand, my people? If they cause craze for their body. No. Akanuku now doesn't go do one now. For where the thing God cause craze for your body now, you know say the thing don't pass Jerome. Maybe the family now not even know when you take a month now. They don't know when you take a book up for us now. Now wow, more than take a easy with Igbo. Make una take a easy with Igbo, una no go here. Una no go here. Akanuku dey craze, so my people, our Nollywood celebrity that year. Now he called the craze, so I see I just now the thing it shocktalized me like seriously, really. Yo, Akanuku. My people, the video shocktalized me just now. It shocked me like saying no more business. I say, wait till they happen. Maybe continue to take this thing. Because I did like a film that time. Very funny man when you go the art. Now wow, my people, this one shocktalized me like seriously. This one it shocked me. I cannot go where everybody just they look up to. Like on the place now. If you really see a color can't change. Now this thing just cause and so. We're not good especially that America. More than the car I shouldn't go America. America is poor picky where. I know of one girl when the mama carry go there when it is small. He reach America finish. You can't go to take this thing for there. The girl, when the mama say the girl does spoil, even born for Igbo, he leave picky for Igbo. The mama can carry her come Nigeria. As he reach Nigeria, my people. As he reach Nigeria, he can. As he reach Nigeria, he can tell him. Mama say me can stay Nigeria. She can say she not go stay. Mama say no, we must stay Nigeria. No do. Now he can say stay Nigeria. Because he continue to take this thing, this white for there. I don't want to put the name because of this thing. So as you can take this thing for them, One day, he want go take. He want go say lie, no come for this house. She go say she must come out. He want go say lie. Say you no go come for this house. As they go now, this one a story when I know. As he want come for his house, he want go say lie, he push him mama. You know when that don't enter their head now. If they never take them, they go scratch their head 100 times. As he want to come up for his house, you just push him mama. You don't know as he push him mama go eat the head. You just come out. As he don't go take and come back, then he might come down. That is a mad ground with blood for ground. Now he rush him mama. As he rush him mama go hospital now. Before they reach there, before he even come back, mother meme. Now she can't call police. She can't bring police. So call the cry say don't. Now he do amo. He no say mama meme. If for save him mama, now they can't say family come carry and go prison. They can't say make she go learn for there. If she don't learn, if she don't do okay, then she will come back again. I said they can't do that one at that time because of this. Yet way they go they take, so you understand. Now I can't do prison there. So now prison I can't change. But the family say no, say they want to make she see they there, but they don't want to test her. They don't want jail. You know no case to answer for the family, but it go suffer small. Now they can't leave her for prison for there. See, maybe they will not see release the girl, sha. So now so you can't take there, my people. So we say no, say all those things, it's not good. It's not good, especially America, where people they carry picking go. It is spoil picking where we are not allowed, man. It is spoil picking where. You understand? It is spoil picking where. More now they carry children go there again. It is very, very bad. I know now, now. You know. So Anuku, don't take when you don't do that thing. Now he make it come Nigeria that time. And as they become Nigeria, it becomes still change. You understand? It becomes still change more. But when they act to, but now. Since when it stop to the act, you go back again. You Anuku. I like that man that year when he go the art. Very funny man. Only God now can't do what they happen to them now. Only God now can't do my people. Oh. Nollywood people are there. More than share this video, make you raise their hand. Now they are one of their colleagues. Make the help them. Make the help them. We don't feel if I can look like this. So you understand? May the help anybody will see this video, may they share them or beg. May the help Anuku. Oh wow. I bet say don't even marry safe, Abi. I bet say don't marry my people. I know the more I write on for comment section. Because I know one time when they bring your wife come out now. When they act where that time, they act with the Genevieve. The Momotola, all of them, you know. They always they ask the prince and they ask the carrier gone where. Una no one now. Una help am not feel leave Anuku for streets like this to my people. We can't leave Anuku like this. So this one they very, very painful, like seriously. It shocked me when I see him. It shocked me really. So when I make sure this video, I beg. I'm gonna let the video go viral. Bye everybody. Bye.